ready to transform your Wix website into a content powerhouse. Let's dive into crafting captivating blog posts that attract readers and boost your SEO. First things first, from your Wix dashboard, click on the blog icon on the left-hand side to access your blog manager. Once you are in the blog manager, look for the Create New Post button, usually located at the top right, and give it a click to begin composing your masterpiece. Now, let's start with a catchy title that grabs attention and accurately reflects the topic of your post. Make sure it is concise and includes relevant keywords. Time to unleash your inner writer. Craft your blog post content in the main body section, focusing on providing valuable information and insights to your audience. Structure your content using headings, subheadings, bullet points, and visuals to enhance readability and engagement. Utilize the formatting tools available to add emphasis and organization. Don't forget to optimize your post for search engines. In the post settings, add relevant keywords to your post title, description, and tags to improve your SEO ranking. Add a visually appealing featured image that represents your blog post. This image will be displayed in your blog feed and on social media when shared. Finally, preview your post to ensure everything looks perfect and then hit the publish button to share your brilliant creation with the world.